Today I'm sharing 3 simple thrift flips using a few inexpensive vintage finds. Each one has that cozy vintage cottage feel, and I can't wait to show you how they all came together. I spotted this old wooden spice rack at the thrift store for just $1, and even though it had seen better days, I knew it still had plenty of life left in it. The finish was worn away in several places, so instead of completely refinishing it, I decided to keep its age and character. I simply wiped on an antiquing wax in a similar shade to help blend those bare spots into the existing finish. It instantly made the whole piece look much more cared for while still keeping that vintage charm. Once the wax had dried, I wanted to give the back a little more interest. I've always loved the look of this eyelet fabric, so I cut a piece to fit the back and hot glued it into place. It's such a simple change, but I love the way it looks on this shelf. After hanging it on the wall, it instantly became one of my favorite little decorating spots. I plan on changing it throughout the seasons with tiny antiques, vintage finds, and little bits of seasonal decor. Next up is this beautiful ornate oval frame. The shape was gorgeous, but the finish needed a little refresh. I grabbed some antique gold rub and buff and lightly worked it over all of the raised details. It brightened everything up and gave it more of an antique look. Instead of using a traditional print, I added another piece of the same eyelet fabric behind the glass. The soft texture makes such a pretty backdrop. I realized partway through that this frame also had a crack in it, so I added some hot glue to secure it together. Then I gathered a few stems of dried lavender into a tiny bouquet. I laid the bouquet on top of the glass, placed the eyelet fabric behind it, and secured everything together with the frame backing. The glass gently presses the lavender into place and gives it the look of a pressed botanical. I love how delicate and timeless it feels. It's simple, neutral, and fits perfectly with the cozy cottage style I'm going for. For the last project, I found the cutest little goose basket at the thrift store. The only thing I wasn't crazy about was the bright orange color. It doesn't help that the table I'm working on top of also has that bright orange color. But to tone down the goose, I mixed a little brown acrylic paint and just a touch of white with water and lightly brushed it over the basket. The watered down paint settled into the wicker and softened that bright orange without completely covering the natural texture. To finish it off, I cut a small square of the eyelet fabric and tied it around her neck like a tiny little scarf. It's such a small detail, but I think it gives her so much personality. She's the sweetest little piece and fits right in with the rest of my vintage decor. I hope today's projects gave you a little inspiration to pick up something old the next time you're at the thrift store. Sometimes those overlooked pieces end up becoming your favorites. Thank you so much for spending some time with me today. Until next time, take care, and I'll see you in the next one.